When someone you love is grieving, it can be hard to know what to do. You know that words, while important, can only go so far. Everyone else is sending food. They've got plenty of that. Or maybe you live too far to send food, or food doesn't feel fitting. When someone loses a beloved pet, do you send a casserole? Sometimes you're the one who's grieving, but you're grieving something so subtle and personal that you're not reaching out for help. Nonetheless, your heart feels flayed open and you're exhausted from the sadness. How do you support yourself in times like these? How do you support your friends? My name is Amanda Crooke, and I'm the herbalist of Locust Light Farm. This November, I'm teaching a class called Herbs for Grieving. In this class, we will explore herbal medicine, plant allies, and personal rituals that offer support through the grieving process. You will learn a wide range of preparations, everything from teas to baths to facial steams to sprays, as well as a whole basketful of recipes. You'll learn how to use dried herbs, herbal powders, tinctures, flower essences, and oils to create a full array of support, plenty of options, because not everyone will drink an herbal tea or take a tincture. You'll learn which herbs to have on hand so that when grief comes, you have plant allies already in your cabinet. The thing with grief is that it's often sudden. You don't know when it's coming. But once it happens, you want to offer support as quickly as possible. This class will help you keep your cabinet prepared and have recipes on hand so that you can respond quickly with support when grief comes. To learn more, visit locustlightfarm.com/herbsforgrieving.